Kung naa kay plano madto sa Samal ug dili ka sure kung asa ka mag-book, pila ang rates, this video is for you. Let's go! First thing that you have to do is to open your web browsing app. So for me, I'm using the Google Chrome. So sa address bar, just type samalguide.com. So as you can see sa ilang homepage, i-categorize ang ilahang mga resort mo ni ang ilahang blog. You can also search by location. So like this, Pabak, Peñaplata, Kaputian, San Remillo, Canibad, or even in Talikod Island. But today, let's focus on finding a resorts and their rates. For example, you have a resort in mind na, you can just go here, search for and type, for example, Discovery Samal. Click enter, kita tanin mo dayon first ang ilahang basic information. You can click more details here. Makita dayon nimo ang ilahang mga pictures, tapos short introduction. Here makita nimo ang mga photos, no, like imong ma-visualize sa daan ba kung unsay sulod, unsay nasa gawas, and then top view, drone shot. At least na kay idea daan, no. Diri naka-categorize na pud ang ilahang mga rooms. And then ay mga rates. Very simple yun kayo. Salamat kayo sa Samal Guide para sa paghimuan ni for those looking for a resort or mga rates diri sa Samal Island. And of course, this is legit guys. And then sa pinakaubos, makita nimo ang ilang mga amenities like for example like this, ang ilang map, kung wakabalo kung asa dapitan na agion. Like for example, okay, ginahan ko nga presyo ay 11,000 a night. So i-click lang na nimo. And then madto ka sa lang website which is diri ka mag-book sa agoda.com. I think na mo idea unsaon pag-book ang inyong stay here in Samal. So daghan mong mapilian diri na website. Tanan nga resort din sa Samal Island na ana diari. So makita na nimo ang ilang mga pictures, mga rates. So you don't have to ask me again and again, no, kung unsay mga rates, kung asa dapita. So samalguide.com is the answer. So next time if you are planning to go to Samal, you want to check rates and resort, go to samalguide.com. That's all you need. All the information is in there. Now I want to ask you, kinsa man diri sa inyo ang nakasuway na og book through samalguide.com. Comment your experience below. If this video helped you, please like and share to your friends nga naay plano man sa Samal, and follow for more Samal Island tips. Hope that helps. Cheers.